Yeah, and you heard it at the top of this newscast there. It's the phrase everyone's talking about today. The president saying bad things happen in Philadelphia, and it's in reference to this particular issue in which poll watchers from his campaign were denied access.
In Philadelphia, they went in to watch. They're called poll watchers, a very safe, very nice thing. They were thrown out. They weren't allowed to watch. You know why? Because bad things happen in Philadelphia, bad things.
Details of the president's accusation were sent in a letter to city commissioners last night. In it, a lawyer for the Trump campaign cited 2 interactions at satellite election offices, which just opened yesterday. In one exchange at the Leah Center, a Trump campaign official asks, "How is this not a polling place?" A city board of elections rep replied, "This is not a polling place, this is an office." The city says the 7 locations are designed for voters to apply for a mail-in ballot or drop one off. There are no official voting machines like you see on Election Day, but you can fill out your ballot at one of the sites.
I'm urging my supporters to go into the polls and watch very carefully, because that's what has to happen.
This is completely inaccurate.
Pennsylvania's Secretary of State says poll watchers are not allowed at these locations.
First of all, there are no poll watchers yet. Those are officially appointed just usually a few days before Election Day, and they literally don't exist now.
I spoke with David Thornburg from the Committee of 70, a nonprofit that oversees election integrity in the city.
Whatever the outcome is, the outcome is. But you don't defame or belittle or cause people to lose faith in the process.
Like Lee Scott Lord.
I'm going to go through the early voting process so that I can share it with my community so they can know how easy it is and accessible for us so that we can begin to reestablish our trust with the voting system.
City, a spokesperson for the mayor said this about Election Day: "We are certainly planning for all possibilities related to the election. We cannot share more beyond that at this time." Now, tonight, the deputy commissioner involved in that exchange that happened at the Leah Center, the one that you read there in the lawyer's memo, he wrote a letter to the attorney offering a tour to the Trump campaign of the satellite offices. I also asked the Trump campaign attorney if she is going to pursue legal action against the city. She told me that she had no comment as the matter is ongoing. Live in the Montgomery County Bureau, Matt DeLucia, NBC 10 News.
Definitely far from over. Matt, thank you.